Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack UPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I go for today's discussion regarding current affair, we are going to discuss a very important current affair regarding various government policies. Especially they have asked many questions regarding government policies in OS prelim examination, and it can also be asked in ASO examination especially. Before I start today's discussion, we for our new YouTube subscribers, we have already started OS prelim test series. If you are interested, then you can join. You can send me email at hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. You can also send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com. Friends, today we will be discussing very important government, central government as well as various state government policies, because they have to constantly, OPSC has constantly asked at least one or two questions regarding this particular in prelim examination especially. So we will be discussing this. Yukti 2.0 scheme is related to Ministry of Education. Yukti 2.0. If a particular question is being asked, Yukti, just like in last particular prelim examination they asked Sagarmala project. Similarly, they can be asking government policies. So Yukti 2.0 is related to Ministry of Education. I hope all of you know that Ministry of Human Resources and Development has been changed its name to Ministry of Education. So our Dharmendra Pradhan is the Minister of Education. So Ministry of Education, Yukti 2.0. Bharosa scheme is related to Ministry of Education again. Now the another scheme which is there in the Ministry of Education is Bharosa scheme. Thereafter, Samadhan scheme is related to Innovation Cell, Ministry of Education. There is another scheme which is there in Ministry of Education, that is Samadhan. That is again related to Ministry of Education. Vishwas project is related to Ministry of Home Affairs. There are certain things which are directly asked from the Ministry of Home Affairs initiative, and that among it is this particular scheme that is called as Vishwas. Then Aswasth project is related to Ministry of Home Affairs. This is related to make cyberspace safe especially. This is what this particular Aswasth scheme, this is particularly being asked in one of the OPSC prelim examination, Cyber Aswasth. This particular scheme is related to Ministry of Home Affairs. I hope all of you know this particular thing. Then PM Swanidhi is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This particular scheme, PM Swanidhi, this particular scheme is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Hope all of you know this. Then Gramodyog Vikas Yojana is related to Ministry of MSME. Gramodyog Yojana is related to Ministry of MSME. Very important. Then Saksham is related to Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. This particular Saksham scheme is related to Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Then Surakshit Dada Dadi Nana Nani is related to this a particular scheme started by this Niti Aayog. Surakshit Dada Dadi Nana Nani, all those elderly people, for them this particular scheme is started by this Niti Aayog. I hope you know this Surakshit Dada Dadi Nana Nani. If a particular question is being asked, everybody will know, no, it will belong to some other ministry. It is related to Niti Aayog only. Then Swanirbhar Nari scheme is related to Assam. Swanirbhar Nari scheme, a particular scheme is being started by Assam government, that is Swanirbhar Nari scheme. Then Arunodoy scheme is related to Assam. Again another scheme started by Assam government, that is Arunodoy scheme. Then Nyaya scheme is related to Chhattisgarh government. This Nyaya scheme is related to Chhattisgarh government. Very important. Then Operation Shield is related to Delhi. Operation Shield. If a particular question is being asked, that Operation Shield is related to which state or union territory? It is related to Delhi. Then FIR आपके द्वार is related to Madhya Pradesh. If a particular question is being asked that FIR आपके द्वार, this particular scheme is started by which state government? Then it is the Madhya Pradesh state government. Madhya Pradesh state government, remember. Sujal scheme is related to Odisha. Remember, very very important. It is a Sujal scheme. Sujal scheme is related to Odisha. Then Mission Shakti is related to Uttar Pradesh government. Which particular state government started Mission Shakti? It is Uttar Pradesh government. Then after Navin Rozgar Chhatri Yojana is related to Uttar Pradesh government. Remember Navin Chhatri Yojana. Many of you will directly relate Navin Chhatri Yojana because it is related to Odisha Chief Minister's name Navin, so it must be started by Odisha government. No, it is started by Uttar Pradesh government. So Navin Chhatri Yojana is related to the state government of UP. Then you can say that Human Development Index is published by United Nations Development Program. Let me know in the comment box what are the parameters of Human Development Index. It is published by United Nations Development Program. Very very important. UNDP publishes Human Development Index. Let me also know what is India's current rank in Human Development Index. Then apart from this, Global Social Mobility is published by World Economic Forum. What is Global Social Mobility? Is it published by World Economic Forum? Then apart from this, Henley Passport Index is published by Henley and Partners. Henley and Partners. This is what is Henley Passport Index. Henley Passport Index. There is something called as Henley Passport. They, on the basis of which they say that which particular passport is having high weightage. In that, it is published by Henley and Partners. Then Human Freedom Index is published by Cato Institute and Fraser Institute. Human Freedom Index. This particular index is published by Cato Institute and Fraser Institute. So it was a important informative video because see, there are certain directly they are asking from various central government ministries as well as you can say state government initiative. So you need to very much thorough about various schemes started by central government as well as state government. It will be helping you in OS prelim examination and ASO examination. Very very important. If you think this particular video informative, then do give a like and do subscribe if you are new to our channel. Thank you very much. Happy learning.